So I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to enable snore detection. So you can have your watch detect when you're snoring and then prompt your phone to record that snoring, okay? Or even your watch will record the snoring and send that file to your phone. To do that, just go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to health, tap on that, and then under health, scroll down to sleep, and under sleep it should say snore detection. So tap on that. If you tap on that, it's going to redirect you to your phone. So just grab your phone, the one that's linked to your watch, unlock it, and it takes you straight to the snore detection area. Okay, now from here you can turn the feature on. It's going to ask you if you want to turn it on while using the app. Select that, and then it says snoring detection increases the phone battery consumption. Consider charging your phone while you sleep. Okay, so tap OK, and then that's it. So once you select that, then you have the option to choose when to detect snoring, only once or always. Now, if you have a problem that you want to monitor over a long period of time, then you can choose always. But if it's only one time, you want to know if you normally snore at night and you want to check once, you can do that. Now, also, you can have the phone record the audio of your snoring. So you can actually listen to yourself snoring and hear what that sounds like. And then you can have your phone automatically delete your snoring records after 31 days, 7 days, or even 100 days. Okay, and that's basically how to enable or turn on snore detection on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and of course on the health app on your phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.